Here we are, slid up the body a little bit, and these are your mid-body cats, and this is what we're going to be using as our point of measurement here to mark for our cuts, because we're going to be cutting our mid pipes here on the exhaust side. So this is the exhaust side, not the motor side. This is also the driver's side right here. So left-hand drive, so driver's side right here, passenger side right here. You're going to be measuring 4.5 inches off the weld. So I can't stress this. Be super careful, measure multiple times, make sure that everything is even all the way around, and then also go ahead and put a strip of tape marking your 4.5 inch marks to ensure that you got a good perpendicular line to the pipe, and you're going to cut it as cleanly as possible. Now, here on the driver's side, you're going to measure back from the weld. You're going to measure 7 inches back. So 4.5 on the driver's side, 7 inches on the passenger side. We're going to mark and tape it before we cut it. So I've got my 4.5 inches here on the driver's side. I've got my 7 inches on the passenger side. I've got it marked with tape. Now, and I've checked my measurements several times. Now, the other thing you can always do as well is you can use a large hose clamp if you have one, because the hose clamp will have to lay flat. So the other trick you can do is you can put a large hose clamp right where your mark is and put the hose clamp on it and tighten it down a little bit. And then use the hose clamp as a marker as well, because you know the metal is not going to twist or lay down at an angle like tape will. Double check, triple check your measurements, make sure that they're dead on. I'm going to be using a Sawzall with a good metal blade, but I'm going to be using my Sawzall to cut the pipe.